In this video, let's talk about a 30mm wheel spacers affect handling. Let's go. Spacers are installed between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly, and it can locate the wheel fender away from the wheel hub assembly rotor. The wheel spacers can also affect the balance of the vehicle handling performance. For example, if you only install wheel spacers in the back, then you will get more grab in the rear. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.